How to fix Play Store problem in Android. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. Now, and first you have to open the settings of your phone and go and open apps. Here you have to search for you have to search for Google Play Store, and here go to storage and click on clear data, then click OK. Also click on clear cache here and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last step is to restart your phone. Now you have to restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.